This Paulownia wood is replacing $500 per sheet balsa. Industries are going crazy. Discover why furniture manufacturers, boat builders, and aerospace companies are ditching expensive balsa wood for something that grows 15 feet per year. They're saving 60% on material costs while getting superior performance. And here's the crazy part. This miracle wood, called Paulownia, is so lightweight, it floats like cork, but stronger than most popular wood. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly why entire industries are switching to Paulownia veneer and how this could revolutionize lightweight manufacturing. Part 1. The balsa problem industries face. The balsa crisis. Balsa wood. $300 to $500 per cubic meter. Limited supply from South America. Quality inconsistencies. Long shipping delays. Environmental concerns about rainforest harvesting. Enter Paulownia, the game changer. Density, 250 to 350 kilograms per cubic meter, same as balsa. Strength to weight ratio. Superior performance cost, 60% less than balsa supply. Grown domestically, 4 to 7 year harvest cycles. Who's making the switch? Aerospace, lightweight panels for aircraft interiors, marine, boat cores, and surfboard manufacturing. Furniture, high-end lightweight furniture, packaging, premium protective packaging. Part 2. The manufacturing revolution. Plywood and engineered panels. Paulownia core plus hardwood face equals perfect combination. Final density, 487 to 530 kilograms per cubic meter. Meets European standards. Superior dimensional stability, no warping, cracking, fast kiln drying. 24 to 48 hours versus weeks for hardwoods. Processing advantages. Straight-grained, mostly knot-free. Satiny, smooth surface finish. Multiple veneer cuts. Crown, quarter, rotary, rift. Thickness range, 0.8 millimeters to 3 millimeters. Real performance data. Compressive strength, 20 megapascal meets, and European strength requirements. Superior adhesive bonding with MUF glues. Excellent workability and machinability. Part 3. The hidden co-benefits. Environmental goldmine, carbon sequestration. Captures CO2 10 times faster than oak's sustainable supply. 4 to 7 year rotations versus 50+ years for hardwoods. Reduced transport energy. Lightweight equals lower shipping costs. Forest preservation. Reduces pressure on old-growth timber. Economic advantages. Cost savings. 60% less than balsa wood supply security. Domestic production eliminates import risks. Fast ROI, plantation payback in 4 to 7 years. Quality consistency. Controlled growing conditions, manufacturing benefits, faster processing, quick drying and machining. Waste reduction, high yield from straight-grain wood. Energy savings, less power needed for lightweight materials. Design flexibility, multiple veneer patterns and thicknesses, making the switch. The veneer industry is experiencing a quiet revolution. While everyone focuses on steel and concrete alternatives, smart manufacturers are switching to Paulownia for lightweight applications. This isn't just about cost savings, it's about supply chain security, environmental responsibility, and superior performance in one package. If you're in manufacturing, furniture, marine, or aerospace industries, this could transform your material costs and product performance. Ready for your own industrial material innovation? Visit bioeconomysolutions.com to book your confidential Paulownia veneer supply chain call today.